Hey, social justice participants, welcome to week 2 of our social justice seminar sessions. Today's focus, this week's focus I should rather say, is going to be the whole issue of race and its impact and the way it's come to the forefront in this whole issue of the coronavirus. So I'm here at my outdoor shower to bring some of those points to the forefront. So this week, I want you guys to think about and research how the coronavirus has had different impacts on different racial and ethnic groups here, particularly here in the United States. First and foremost, I know that there's a lot of information out there about how dramatically this virus has affected the African American population in the United States. And your first do now assignment is going to be take a look at a short video clip and a little longer article about how that has been the case for so many African Americans and maybe what the source of those disparities are. So essentially, one of the things that we're going to be doing is we're going to be applying the cycle of social action to this issue, and then we're first pushed to gather the data, then ask what the underlying causes of this data may be. Certainly another group that's experienced an uptick of discrimination due to this virus are Asian Americans, and so we'll be taking a look at an article about how discrimination towards that group has increased during this virus as well. So I have some print resources and a short video that you're going to watch this week, and like last week, I want you to do some researching for other data points that support or contradict these resources as well. Now, as always, be sure that you're aware of the sources from which you gather your data. This is often very telling about the angle that they use and that they're taking on the issue. So there's basically 3 essential questions I want us to consider this week. First and foremost, as you can see on the board behind me, why are some races affected more dramatically by the coronavirus than others? Number 2, I want you to think about how do some races experiencing more advantages in society than others? Yeah, we're going to be addressing that whole issue of white privilege in society. Does it exist? What do you think? Finally, I want you to think about how have stereotypes and discrimination been pushed to the forefront during the coronavirus crisis? So this should lead us to a hearty discussion in our Zoom sessions at the end of the week. I look forward to seeing you guys, and I hope you have a great week, and I really look forward to seeing you and having that discussion. We'll see you then. Woo! This was warm at the start.